Mitutoyo began manufacturing Japan's first domestically produced micrometers in 1937. Mizonokuchi Factory, the predecessor of Kawasaki-Fabrik, was established in 1940 as a mass production factory for micrometers. Currently, we manufacture optical equipment such as lenses, mainly image measuring machines. The factory responsible for lens processing is located solely within the Kawasaki facility of Mitutoyo, serving as the company's sole optical processing plant among all its factories. In lens processing, Mitutoyo has successfully achieved vertical integration by producing all stages of the process, from molding to coating, excluding the material within its own facilities. The cylindrical glass substrate undergoes processing. The coating and assembly processes are conducted in a Class 1000 cleanroom environment. Polishing, which greatly affects the accuracy of lenses, is managed and checked by highly skilled Takumi, who are given the title under the Takumi Meister system. Among Mitutoyo's skills, craftsmen have outstanding skills that cannot be mechanized or standardized. The Takumi Master System is designed to pass on these unparalleled skills to successors, aiming to contribute not only to the company, but also to society at large. Here we perform cutting and grinding of parts used in vision measuring machines. The machining center is equipped with multiple pallets, allowing materials to be mounted on them for automated processing. This setup enables 24-hour operation by conducting machining automatically. We are assembling vision measuring machines here. To prevent vibrations transmitted through the building from affecting measurement accuracy when the vision measuring machine is moved by an overhead crane, a bevel is installed to separate the floor of the building from the assembly area. Mitutoyo products are used for testing to confirm accuracy. Shaping the future of manufacturing through precision measurements. We will create a factory where Mitutoyo's data utilization never stops.